Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a SMEG brand dishwasher and you want to do a hard restart on it. You know, maybe there's lights that are on, you can't figure out why and you can't get rid of them. Maybe it's giving you an error code, or maybe it's just acting funny and you can't figure out what's going on. And you just want to start it all over from the beginning, start fresh with the control panel and everything. So on the SMEG, there's not like a specific button to do this. So what you want to do with your SMEG is just do this the old-fashioned way, which is to make sure it's turned off. And then you're just going to cut power to it. So you're going to unplug it from the wall, or if you can't access the plug, you can just turn it off at the circuit. And then you just want to leave it turned off for at least a minute, and really anything above that is better because it just gives the circuits time to forget everything. Once you've done that, you can restore power to it, turn it back on, and you'll see when you turn it on, it'll go through a bit of like a startup cycle that it doesn't usually, because it's starting up just like a computer that's starting up from nothing. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.